Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Microsoft Dynamics 365 for CRM setup, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Microsoft Dynamics 365 for CRM setup, first, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Microsoft Dynamics 365 download and press enter. Locate the official Microsoft Dynamics 365 website from the search results. Click on the link to the Microsoft Dynamics 365 page. Once on the page, look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner. Click Sign In and enter your Microsoft account credentials if prompted. If you do not have a Microsoft account, you will need to create one by selecting Create One and following the instructions. After signing in, navigate to the Products or Solutions section. Find Dynamics 365 listed among the available products. Click on Dynamics 365 to access detailed information and options. Scroll down the page until you see the various Dynamics 365 applications. Look for Dynamics 365 for CRM specifically. Click on the Try for Free or Download button associated with Dynamics 365 for CRM. Follow the prompts to select the appropriate plan or trial option. Confirm your selection and proceed to the checkout or registration page. Enter any required payment information or confirm that you want to start a free trial. After finalizing your selection, you will be taken to the download page. Here, find the download link for the CRM application. Click on the download link to begin downloading the setup file. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. Double-click the setup file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation of Microsoft Dynamics 365 for CRM. Upon installation completion, launch the application from your desktop or Start menu. You may need to log in again with your Microsoft account to start using Dynamics 365 for CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.